Arrived. We've been patiently waiting. The COO of Reliance Home Videos and Games with us on stage right now. Okay everyone, we once again have, I'll just introduce you to all our beautiful, amazing guests on stage. We have with us Irfan, the beautiful Nimrat Kaur, and director Ritesh Batra with Shweta Agnihotri, the COO of Reliance Home Video and Games. And our most awaited guest is also arrived. Okay, we'll have ice full for everyone. We have this entire cast. Lunchbox, as we all know, is a very different movie than our commercial Bollywood type masala love romantic song. But we have this very nice star cast who have done a very amazing job in Lunchbox. The only critically acclaimed movie.
It's wonderful on behalf of Reliance to have this extremely talented cast on stage. I'd like to just start by thanking one of our longest associated partners, UTV, for yet another terrific film. I'd also quickly like to thank Landmark for providing us the venue. What can one say about Lunchbox? 33 nominations, 22 awards, 14.5 million overseas box office, about 85 crore rupees overseas. Who does that? Only Lunchbox. I think that deserves an even louder round of applause, guys. Come on. And in countries where you wouldn't imagine that a film like this would actually have such a path-breaking entry. So the little tiffin box really packed a punch, as you can see. So before I hand over, I'd like to thank the cast and crew for being here. And the DVD is a terrific journey of the movie. It's got a double disc, it's got letters that were exchanged between these two incredible actors on stage. You will enjoy it. So I would like to now hand over back to the MC who will take you through the evening. So thank you very much.
Choose amazing movie Lunchbox. So we would like him to talk a bit about this amazing movie.
It's a great question. Thank you for coming. This movie just kind of, it's been a real gift for me, for all of us. It just kind of keeps going, and when you know this because you write something every day. When you do some work, you just want to move on to the next work. But this movie kind of just keeps pulling us back again and again towards it. So we premiered last year in Cannes. The Japanese release was last week, and now the Indian DVD is releasing. So we are very happy to be here, and thank you to UTV and Reliance for bringing it out to the people in India, because this is our home and it's important for us the movie does well here. Also Karan Johar and Guneet Monga and Siddharth Roy Kapoor from UTV, who've really done a wonderful job bringing this movie out to the world. And also my amazing actors who took the time to be here. Thank you.
Both touch into a movie is a very different thing. We have on stage Irfan, Nimrat and Nawazuddin Siddiqui, but there's a difference in them and the character played.
I think everybody knows now that the film is out and everybody's seen the film, and we know what kind of response it has got. And we, for us, it was a very precious experience, great experience. But what it has really done, which is historical, which is so significant, which is never achieved by any film, which somehow it happened with this film, is that our film, Indian film, could go into mainstream market of foreign countries and capture their attention and entertain them. And that's what very, very significant, which is done by Lunchbox. And I'm so pleased with it, that this film has achieved that. And it's high time that our film starts entertaining the foreign audience. We keep looking forward to Hollywood cinema. That's great. We are getting so much inspiration from them. And it's high time that we start giving inspiration to other countries as well, because we have great stories in our country and we have so much of talent, like Ritesh and everybody. So that's great, and that's what the film has achieved, and I hope that other films could also achieve a similar way, and it keeps on going and it grows.
So Nirmit, I would like to ask you, what is your favorite appetite, or what's your favorite food? Because you've been preparing some amazing lunches for Saja in the movie, and it was really tempting to see. So what do you think about it?
Vada pav. Keema pav. It's I mean, anything that's cooked with love, I prepared the food with a lot of love. The food that went to him was actually half cooked and not so tasty, but he made it look so good. And yeah.
Okay, so the salty part still stays. Okay, so I would also like you to tell us something about this movie Lunchbox, because you had a very different kind of role in this, a very chubby or very googly kind of a person in the movie. So you'd like to know what was your experience?
Actually, what should I say? I feel proud to be a part of Lunchbox actually. Because of my co-actors and my directors, and of course lovely producers, Dar Motion Pictures, UTV, Mr. Karan Johar, and everything in front of you, Lunchbox. We are going to release the DVD of Lunchbox. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for sharing your views. So now I'm sure all of you must have a lot of questions in your mind, and you can ask anything around the world in regards of Lunchbox with this great star cast. So let us have your questions coming in.
Sakhi here from Headlines Today and Aaj Tak. First of all, congratulations to all of you for achieving what you guys have. I want to ask a question specifically to Irfan and Nimrit. You guys are, post this movie, moving on to international markets and doing some, great projects there. Can you throw a little bit light on those projects, especially you, Irfan, Nimrit? You're going to be starting work on Homeland soon as well.
What is the question?
The question is about the international projects that you are doing right now, which are in the offing.
I have just completed. I just came to know that Nimrit is doing Homeland, and it's a great, it's a great achievement. And the interesting thing, what happens in in other countries when you go there, it's a different kind of atmosphere completely. And also the director, what the director is trying to achieve through actors, and the kind of what actor does in those in that setup is slightly different what we are doing here. So that's the kind of experience which we get there, and it's very interesting. So I have just completed Jurassic Park, and she's doing Homeland, and it's about time that our other actors would also start traveling and getting more opportunities there. So it's a growing sign for our industry. I think so.
Can Nimrit share a couple of thoughts about this?
Yeah. I've just started shooting for Homeland. There are many episodes to go, and I've just finished the first schedule. It's a very different environment. It's very important to be out of your comfort zone, I think that's incredible. Every time that you're collaborating on an episode, on a series like this, you're working with a new director, a new writer. So a lot to learn. It's a different, pitch you're playing on. It's what you feel on that day. You just have to instinctively go with, what you think is right for that day, for that scene. So that has been very different and very exciting for me to learn. It's a long way to go still, and I really hope the part turns out well and it shapes up well. They really live the homeland life, you know. They're all so secretive, they don't let anything out. I don't know what the end of the part is going to be like, but I'm certain that playing ISI can't be very friendly with the Americans. So yeah.
Like you said, they're being very secretive, but can you shed a little bit of light on the character that you're playing in the series?
Well, yeah, I'm playing, you can say, the nemesis of Carrie Mathison, you know, what she is to CIA, Tasneem Qureshi, the part I'm playing, she is to the ISI. She is her counterpart, she's as strong, as enigmatic, a bit of a seductress, you know, knows how to get her job done, does not toe a line, you know, doesn't matter what she needs to do to get it done. No letters. It's a very exciting space. It's a very mysterious kind of a part. But that's all I really know about it. I don't know how it's going to go from here on.
How did the audition for this? We've heard that you actually auditioned for this role.
Yeah.
How did that go?
It went well.
Now that you got the part. Yeah. But how was the process?
It was actually the serendipity kind of thing. You know, I was in London for some work, and it ended up being on the first day of my trip there. I've never been to London before, and it was kind of one of those things that just fall together. My agents, they got me this screen test, and it was taken very well. The audition was done very well, and I think it was just one of those things that worked out.
Alright, I won't take much of your time, but last question to Irfan. You've also completed Divine Lovers with Kangana, which is, you know, one of those first Indo-French sort of a project. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
I think that's it's starting. They have started developing. We have an idea, a threshed out idea, which is exciting. And because of the success of Lunchbox, the director went to France and he started sharing the idea with the producers. And he got a lot of response from them. So that was very encouraging, exciting. So now he will write the script. And, you know, Kangana likes the idea. She loves the idea. She's, you know, she wants to do the film. I like the idea. So let the script finish and then we'll let you know.
मेरा सवाल नवाज से है। नवाज आलोक है फ्रॉम OFA। 200 करोड़ रुपए के विलन बन चुके हैं आप, तो ये उपलब्धि कैसी लग रही है?
जब फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ है तो मुझे ऑफकोर्स अच्छा ही लगेगा, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा।
और डांस पे जितने भी लोग हैं, पहले दिन भी मैंने पूछा था जब पहला प्रमोशनल इवेंट था